Hey guys, how's it going? How to create social media clips with revid AI. To create social media clips with a revid AI, what you're gonna do, so scroll a little bit down and click new video from here. After you log in with your account, you're gonna see the same dashboard, the same settings. Make sure that you just click the new video, and they will redirect you to create a new video for TikTok short or reel generator, or add a caption to a video, or YouTube clip maker. So in my case, I'm gonna choose the TikTok short reel generator, and just say, for example, right here you're gonna see the example from at the right, right? And just type Elon Musk مثلا something like Elon Musk buys Twitter, right? And then what you're gonna do after you typed that basically that text, you're gonna just go in here. You're gonna be able to click script generator, right? And then you can just tell a little bit more if you want revid AI to generate that text instead. And you can choose right here the generation preset, right? You can choose anime, realist, or sketch color, or Pixar, whatever it might be. And then scroll a little bit down. If you want to specify a general style, you can just do that and pick your image generation mode, base, pro, or ultra. And then select the voice or record of your own, or record yourself, like with your own voice, right? You could just go ahead and record your own voice, right? And it can upload a audio to your right here. As you can see, you're gonna see the camera, right? If you don't want to enable it, you can just disable it from here. And then select audio or generate music. You can just choose whatever depending on the theme. And then hit generate video. You're gonna wait for a few moments right here until they generate that video. Now, as you can see, they will ask you a common question like, how did you hear about revid AI? And then click get ready. Then you're gonna wait for a few seconds right here, and then they will build that video, and then we're gonna get back to you. And as you can see right here, you will see the finalized video right here. Click the Elon Musk buys Twitter, and then you're gonna hear the audio from here, right? Elon Musk buys Twitter, and this is a sample only. And if you like what you see, you can just go ahead and hit export, or use the tools at the left hand bar to basically fix any issues that you have with the audio, music, or footage. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.